Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm gonna unbox and review my Seligal hard disk drive pouch case of 2.5 inches hard disk drive cover. I bought this from Amazon. I'm gonna unbox it now. And it's from Western Digital. Let me remove this. And I got this cover case for $199. Quality wise it is good, and you'll get a zip where you'll get a two compartments where you will place your hard disk at one side, like this, and you can keep your wire on that pouch. You also keep your PDs if you want, since it is spacious. Let us discuss its features now. Slimline case protects your device on its own or in your favorite bag. Compatible with WD, Sony, Transit, etc. with 2.5-inch hard drive disk. Strong zipped closure that allows quick and convenient access and usage. Best in its glass quality material, which protects your portable hard disk from shock, scratches, dirt, bump and drop test up to 11 feet. Compatible with WD, Sony, as I said you before, with 2.5-inch hard disk. An electric band to securely fasten the HDD and separate mesh pocket for USB cables and flash drives. And guys, if you want to buy this product, I share the link in the description. You can go and check it out once in Amazon or Flipkart. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll come with my next content soon. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you.